Welcome to Choice Champions. The best witchcraft is probably one of the most fascinating and misunderstood subjects throughout human history, weaving a complex tapestry of belief, persecution, and cultural evolution that continues to intrigue and provoke discussion even today, prompting us to delve into the ancient roots and enduring legacy of those accused of practicing the forbidden arts. Number 5. A history of magic, witchcraft, and the occult. Journey back in time to explore the hidden world of magic and its ancient roots. Discover the practices and beliefs that have shaped our understanding of the occult. Trace the fascinating evolution of witchcraft through the ages. Learn about its historical context, its persecution, and its enduring legacy. Delve into the esoteric traditions that have captivated minds for centuries. This book unlocks the secrets behind mystical practices and forbidden knowledge. This comprehensive guide offers an in-depth look at magic, witchcraft, and the occult. It's an essential read for anyone curious about these mysterious subjects. Dare to explore the unseen forces and hidden histories that lie beyond the veil of everyday reality. Understand the profound impact these subjects have had on human civilization. What we like. This book offers a sweeping historical overview of magic, witchcraft, and the occult. If you are looking for a deep dive into the esoteric roots of these practices, this is your go-to. It's ideal for those who want to understand the broader historical context beyond just witchcraft. What people say. This is a fascinating and comprehensive look at the history of witchcraft. The book is well researched and provides a lot of interesting facts about different periods and cultures. The author does a great job of explaining complex concepts in an accessible way. Number 4. Green Witchcraft, a practical guide. Unlock the ancient secrets of the natural world. This guide will help you connect with the Earth's energy. Learn to utilize the potent energy of plants and herbs in your practice. Discover their unique properties and how to work with them. Explore the grounding and amplifying power of crystals. Understand how to choose and use them for your magical endeavors. Dive into the practice of green witchcraft and its connection to the earth. It's a path of harmony and natural magic. This comprehensive guide offers practical steps and insights. Begin your journey into the magical world of nature today. Go beyond the fundamental elements and explore the deeper aspects of natural magic. Expand your understanding and practice. What we like. Discover the magic inherent in the natural world with this practical guide. If you love plants, herbs, and crystals, and want to incorporate them into your practice, this is for you. It's perfect for those seeking a grounded, earth-centered approach to witchcraft. What people say. This is a fascinating read that delves into the history of witchcraft with great detail and factual accuracy. The book offers a comprehensive overview of the subject, covering various historical periods and geographical locations. The author presents a well-researched and balanced perspective on the complex history of witchcraft, making it an informative and engaging experience. Number 3. The Witch's Guide to Manifestation. Are you ready to create the life you've always desired? This guide offers powerful witchcraft techniques to help you manifest your deepest wishes. Discover the magic within you. Tap into timeless practices reimagined for today's world. Learn how to harness ancient energies to bring about tangible changes in your reality. It's time to see real results. We break down complex concepts into easy-to-follow steps. You don't need years of experience to start manifesting. Begin your journey with confidence and clarity. Take control and actively shape your future. This book provides the tools and knowledge you need to become the architect of your destiny. Your ideal life is within reach. Discover the power and potential that lies within you. This guide empowers you to connect with your inner witch and wield your magic effectively. Unleash your true capabilities. Stop waiting and start creating. Learn the secrets to manifesting the life you truly want, starting today. Your transformation begins with this essential guide. What we like. Unlock the power to create the life you desire through witchcraft. If you are focused on achieving specific goals and transforming your reality, this guide is essential. It's designed for individuals who want to use magical principles for personal empowerment and success. What people say. This book is a comprehensive and well-researched exploration of the history of witchcraft. The author provides fascinating insights into the cultural and societal contexts surrounding witchcraft beliefs and practices throughout different eras. It covers a wide range of topics, from ancient pagan traditions to the witch trials and modern Wicca, offering a balanced perspective. Number 2. Appalachian Witchcraft for Beginners. Embark on a journey into the heart of Appalachian witchcraft. This tradition offers a rich tapestry of folk magic, waiting to be explored. Delve into a unique and vibrant folk magic tradition. Learn about its deep roots and enduring practices that have shaped the region. Uncover the fascinating history behind this practice. Understand how it developed and evolved through generations in the Appalachian Mountains. Explore the world of natural remedies and healing. Discover the power of plants and traditional methods used for well-being. Learn to cast practical spells and perform meaningful rituals. This guide provides accessible techniques for everyday life. This is your essential guide to getting started. We break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps for beginners. What we like. Explore the unique and rich traditions of Appalachian folk magic. If you're new to witchcraft and drawn to ancestral practices, remedies, and spells, this is an excellent starting point. It's perfect for those who appreciate a connection to historical, regional magical systems. What people say. The book excels in its historical approach. The author takes great care to ground the remedies and practices in the daily lives of mountain folk, detailing the origins of what many call granny magic or mountain wisdom. The spells are clearly laid out, emphasizing intention and natural connection over complex rituals. They focus heavily on protection, hearth and home blessings, and simple healing, which are the true heart of this tradition. This book is a great reference and, because of clarity, is indeed a great beginner training book. The author has provided a succinct summary, origins and practitioners, with honoring all who influenced and contributed to the practice. Number 1. Salem Witch Hunt, Colonial, Massachusetts Trials. Step back in time to Colonial, Massachusetts. Explore the chilling events of the Salem witch hunt and the trials that followed. Discover how fear and suspicion gripped a community. Learn about the accusations that led to the downfall of many innocent people. Witness the dramatic unfolding of the witch trials. Understand the legal proceedings and the devastating consequences for those accused. This captivating guide delves into a pivotal moment in U.S. history. It offers a deep look into the hunt and trials of alleged witches. Gain a comprehensive understanding of this complex historical event. Explore the societal factors and beliefs that fueled the hysteria. Reflect on the lasting impact of these events. It's a crucial part of understanding the early American experience. What we like. Delve into one of history's most infamous events, the Salem witch hunt. If you are fascinated by historical trials and accusations of witchcraft in colonial America, this book provides a captivating account. It's a must-read for history buffs interested in the darker aspects of early American society. What people say. This book helped me understand the timeline better. Also to read about the accused more in detail. This book is informative and so easy to read. This book is a fantastic read and such a great explanation of the events that took hold of that small corner of the world in the 1600s and 1700s. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.